AI is changing the way we write code. Instead of spending hours typing every single line, these tools can generate, debug, and even optimize your code automatically. Today, I'll show you the 3 best AI tools for coding in 2025 that can save you time, reduce stress, and boost your productivity. Before we start, hit like if you want to code smarter, not harder. First up, GitHub Copilot. This is like having an AI pair programmer by your side. It can auto-complete entire functions, suggest clean code in multiple languages, and even explain what a block of code does in plain English. Imagine writing a simple comment like, create a login form, and Copilot instantly generates all the boilerplate code for you. That's how powerful it is. Comment below if you'd use Copilot for your projects. Second, we have Tabnine. What makes it different is that it learns from your coding style. So the more you use it, the better it gets at predicting how you write code. Unlike many other tools, it also has an offline mode, which is great for developers who don't always want to rely on cloud services. It's fast, lightweight, and really good if you want personalized AI coding assistance. Subscribe now if you'd love more secret developer tools like this. And finally, the tool you're already familiar with, ChatGPT. But it's not just for answering questions. Developers are using it to debug code, optimize performance, and even learn new programming concepts. For example, you can paste in an error message and it won't just tell you what's wrong, it explains how to fix it step by step. It's like having a tutor and coding assistant rolled into one. Share this video with a coding friend who struggles with debugging. These AI tools won't replace developers, they'll make us faster and more creative. The future of coding is about working smarter, not harder, and these tools are leading the way. Follow for daily AI and tech hacks to stay ahead of the curve.